Welcome to my channel. Today I will descale and plus this Rheem water heater. There. Okay. So what you need is first what you need is the the instruction. You go to their website. There, that is lime and scale plussing procedure. There, what you need there, and then you need a 3 to 5 gallon of distilled white vinegar. I bought this from Costco. There, I just use 4 gallon of that, and then I bought a what you call a submersible pump there. Okay, and then you need a two hose what you call it, washer and the washer hose, cloth washer hose. Okay, so number one is of course you have to read the instruction. So number one says turn off the electricity and gas. I already went inside and turned off the electricity on the main remote control, and this is the bulb there. Turn off there. Okay. Turn off the electricity and gas to the tankless water heater. Do not perform this procedure with power or gas turned on. Damage to the water heater can occur. Okay. Number two, shut off the main water supply to the tankless water heater. Consult the instruction provided by installation. Okay. So this is the main. Okay. So that is the main. That is the main water. Okay. Attach a small garden hose on each drain bulb. These are the garden hose, but in my case I'm using I have an extra washer hose. Connect to cold and hose. So this is the cold and this is the hot output, and connect it to a circulation pump. That is my pump down there, or similar model. Okay. And says number, and then number 4 for the 5 gallon of white vinegar, but I only put 4 because the submersible pump is there. Okay. So, and then place the inlet hose of the pump and the drain hose from the hot water heater into the pail. Okay, there. Open the drain valve and turn on the pump. Allowed to circulate for approximately 45 minutes. So there. So open this two bulb and this one there, and turn on the pump. Let me time it. Okay. So now it's 10. Now it's 10:05. So at 10:50 we will turn it off. There. Yeah, as you can see, there are already dirt that over there. So Okay, so I turn off this camera and then come back later on after 45 to an hour. Okay, I'm back. It's been almost 50 minutes. So next step is turn up the pump. Turn up the pump. Open the drain bulbs and turn on the pump. Okay, that's it. Okay, turn off the pump. Drain the vinegar from water heater and close the cold water drain bulb. Okay, next is open the main cold water supply valve and allow fresh water to flush through the water heater for at least 5 minutes. That is approximately what you call a 20 gallon. That's 4 bucket over there. 4 bucket. So we will fill up those bucket and then we will move on to the next step. and then clean the filter. The filter is here. It's not that dirty, but I just use a plain brush for cleaning this. Okay. So put it back, just untie it because there is O-ring on over there. There. Okay. So next is open this. Open the main bulb. Okay. Close the cold water main. I'll remove the filter screen. We are done on that one. Okay. Turn on the water shut-off bulb. Go to faucet to make sure that there is no run the hot water. Make sure that there is no and then turn on gas and electric. and check for any leak. And then run hot water from several locations to check the operation and performance of the water heater. Okay, look, no leaks. Okay, let's look, it's running. So go back to that faucet, let's see if there's hot water on that one. Okay, so this one is hot. Yeah, so okay, the water heater is running properly. There is hot water in the faucet inside. So that's how you you know, how you uh, this scale this and plus this you know, this Rheem water heater, tankless water heater. Um, if you don't have a house filter, you have to do this every other year. But if you have a house water heater, like in my case, this is like 7-8 years old. What you call a years old water heater. This is the first time I am doing this. It's not that dirty, because I have a house what you call house main house filter. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel, and see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.